This time last year I was on my own, just me and a plastic Christmas tree all alone. But this year will be different in the song. I don't want your persona, I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feeling.
What's up my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be organizing, cleaning my kids' room and also be decorating their rooms for the Christmas. Please, if this is your first time coming to my channel for the first time, I'm happy to have you here. You are welcome. My name is Jennifer. I'm a wife, a mother of two. I do cleaning video, mom, lifestyle, organizing. Please, if this is the kind of content you like, I would like you to click that red button and become part of my YouTube family. And for all my returning subscribers, God bless you all. So let's get into the video. Well, when looking at the room, you will see that everywhere is so dirty. The kids we are playing in the room, bringing all the diapers I put in the dresser, throwing it up and down. So what I'm doing now is to make sure I put all this where they're supposed to be before I start cleaning.
It'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you, on you, on you, on you. You're leaving me out in the rain when I try to reach you. I know it's hard to break through the chains, but I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna reach you. 'Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my
So this is the Christmas tree I'll be putting in my son's room. I got this Christmas tree from Target, about $15. So I'll be putting the Christmas tree in his room. This is my first time putting a Christmas tree in the room. I don't know if this Christmas tree is gonna last long because my son is too active. So he was already dragging the Christmas tree I put in the living room. He was even trying to put everything down. So I don't know if this one's going to last in his room. I just want to give it a try.
just me and a plastic Christmas tree all alone. But this year will be different in so many ways. Now that I've found someone with whom to spend my days, now I know what Christmas can be like. And now I know what everyone's been talking about. Now
Among everything I put in the kids' room for the Christmas, I prefer this Christmas tree. I love the silver, how shiny it is. I got this Christmas tree from Walmart at the price of $15, and I'm so much in love with this Christmas tree.
And now I know what Christmas can be like.
Moving over to the kids bathroom, I'll be using the glass cleaner to clean the mirror.
Stuff from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who.
The shelf, I got them from Amazon, and I was supposed to paint the shelf white, but I didn't have time to paint it. But I'll be doing it later. For now, I don't have time, so I'll be putting some decor on it. This little Christmas tree, I got it from Target, and the little house, I also got it from Target too.
When I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppressed to fit in a small frame, but I won't play your game anymore. So I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am.
Okay guys, that will be end of my today's video. Please, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to say I appreciate you. God bless you. Please stay safe. See you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye.
I'm gonna let them talk, but I ain't following nobody else. How can I be resentful when I finally